successful. Contact Magic for departure.
There's like a ring up. Like, how does it work? Look at that.
Spartan 010, request extraction. Stop neutralised.
Spartan, copy. Inbound to the northwest for extraction. Section of 3 knots.
So we see the threat neutralised. The operative words. The enemies certainly withdrew to the west. Assets destroyed on the ground. And an amazing halo effect above the pyrotechnics.
Oh, it's my halo.
For those of you with video cameras, you may care to record that. We don't see that terribly often. To the right, we see the Black Hawk helicopters from 6 Aviation moving in down for the extraction. You'll note that after the troops were deployed, the helicopters recovered to the west, staying well clear of the action. So vital and so important is the ability to put troops in and get them out safely, but the Black Hawk helicopters must remain well clear of any possible threat. Black Hawk 6 Aviation into the troop pickup.
Hold the damn cross across your face. Boy. Where are we going to go down the Where are we going to find the damn